Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm not going to be doing like a full day in the life video. This is just going to be like an extreme cleaning routine. So today's actually Monday. So I'm filming this on Monday. Not sure when I'm going to be uploading it, but Mondays is usually when I clean the most. I clean my apartment pretty much the same way every day, but on Mondays is when I really try to do the most extreme cleaning because I am not a Sunday cleaner. Never have been, never will be. I pick up a little bit and stuff and straighten things, but I don't clean on Sundays. P.S. I also want to say that this is yesterday's hair and makeup. I woke up like this. And I am also wearing my husband's clothes. He wore this outfit yesterday and I am not about to pull out some fresh, clean clothes to clean this apartment just to get them dirty and have to wash them. And I am not about to get fixed up to record a video to clean. I don't understand people who get all fixed up to clean. It's just not my style. I mean, maybe if I was getting paid big bucks to look good cleaning, then maybe I would, but I ain't, so this is as good as it's gonna get. So if you are in the mood to watch some extreme cleaning, girl, you came to the right place. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take all of my pillowcases off of my pillows and remove my sheets and blanket as well. And I'm going to be washing them today. I'm going to be using these Tide Pods. And I'm also going to be using the Suavitel fabric softener. So I'm just going to load all of this up in the washer and get it started. Now I'm going to go in with my Method all-purpose cleaner, and this is crisp apple scented, and I'm using a wet rag to just wipe down my bed frame and all around the sides and the end and all that. Keep in mind, I'm also going to be using the same cleaner on all of my countertops as well as my nightstands. So when you see the red bottle, or the bottle with the red liquid in it, that's what I'm using. If you see me with the blue bottle, that is the water and Suavitel mixture, which I'm going to show you at the end of this video exactly how I make it. And other than that, I just used Windex on my mirrors and stuff. So I'm just cleaning my countertop here and my mirror and wiping down my cabinets and all that. Now I'm just taking every single product out of my shower and I'm going in with my Kaboom spray. This stuff is so cool. It's lemon scented and it sprays on blue and then it turns white when it's ready to be wiped off. And I really like using it in my bath and shower. I think it works really well and it smells clean. So yeah, I like that product. Okay, you guys, so I just finished cleaning my bathroom and I'm putting everything back in its place, and then the worst thing possible happens, like right now. It's so tragic, so tragic. Well, the saddest thing just happened. I was walking by my little ring light, and my ring light decided to fall over and die. So it looks like I may be getting that broom out and I may be sweeping this floor. I'm literally so devastated right now. You guys don't even know. Like, I saved up my little money to buy this little ring light for myself, and yeah, this just happened. But I can't let this, you know, hold me down. Yep, there she is. Gotta keep on keeping on. So, guess let's start cleaning. I have a big mess to clean now. But hey, if you were wondering if I owned a broom and I knew how to sweep, now you know. So this gave you an opportunity to find out that I actually do own a broom and I can sweep if I need to. So y'all are probably about to make fun of me in a second because I get down on the floor and pretty much hand clean my floor. So I don't own a bucket at the moment, and to be honest, I don't really like buckets full of water. They take up too much space and I just don't like them. So I'm going in with this mixture of water and Murphy's oil, so it's just like having a bucket full of cleaner and water. It's really no different. I'm just spraying it on the floor and cleaning it with this wash rag. I kind of look like a frog, like scooting across the floor, and the reason why I'm in this position and I look like this is because of my leg issues from my surgery. I can't really get on my knee, my right knee, because it hurts. So the way I'm like scooting across the floor is because of that. I used to get down on my hands and knees and really scrub floors before my accident, but I just can't anymore. So this is what I look like when I'm cleaning the floor. So now I am just vacuuming my entire futon, and then I'm going to go in with my Suavitel and water mixture, spray it all over my futon, and then go back with a wet rag and just scrub it all over, you know, wipe it down, make it nice and clean, smelling fresh, looking good. So I wanted to show you guys these fabric softener sheets that I use. These are from Target. They're the Up and Up brand. They're so affordable. They're just like $1 and some change. And I like to use these in the dryer, but what I also like to do is take 2 of them and put them in your pillowcases. So when you go to sleep at night, it's gonna smell so fresh and clean. Girl, you're gonna love it. So you need to try that. My husband loves it. Just put your dryer sheets in your pillowcase. You can also put it on top of your mattress and then put your fitted sheet on top of it. So your bed just smells so fresh. So now I'm just showing you that everything is clean, even though I need to take that garbage out, but bathroom's clean, living room's clean. I also cleaned the extra bathroom and the extra bedroom. And yeah, my place just smells amazing. I've got candles going. I did my fabric softener spray all over. I did some air freshener all over, got my wax melts melting, and yeah, pretty much smells amazing now. And it looks good too, I think. So now I'm gonna show you how to make the Suavitel mixture. I like to use the blue, but they also have a red, purple, and yellow. I forget what the scents are, but pretty much you just take an empty spray bottle. You can buy a new one or you can reuse an old one. I like to do that too. Just rinse it out before you do it. And I just start pouring the Suavitel in there. I don't measure it. I just pour however much I feel like, okay? And then I put some water in it, fill it up to the top, shake it, and you're good to go. Spray it on everything, everywhere, and thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you would like to see more videos like this, or just comment down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.